Find out the cube root of a number. Let's say our number is 474,552, and we know the cubes of all single digit number. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, and similarly 7 cube is 343, and so on. What we need here is, let's say we have to find out a cube root. So what we have to find out is just the last digit. As we see that the last digit here is 2, so we can look upon our cubes of single digit number and we have to match on which of the cube has the last digit 2. 8 has a last digit 2. All other numbers have the last digits different. Let's say 9, 6, 5, 4, 1, 8, 7. Okay, so what we have to do is we just simply have to cut 3 digits from the last 3 digit from the thousand place, ones, tens, thousands, and we have to write 8 here. So 8 is our last digit of the cube root. And in the second part, let's say this is 474, we have to find out which cube is lesser than 474. So as we can see that 8 cube is greater than 474, which is 512, and 9th cube is also greater than 474. But we know that all the cubes from 1 to 7 are below 474. So 474 is greater than 7 cube. So what we have to write is 7, because 7 is the immediate lesser than 474, because all of these are obviously lesser than 474, but we need to find out a number which is immediately lesser than the first 3 digits. Then first 3 digits here are 474. So 78 is our cube root. Similarly, we can do one more example. Let's say we have a number 2924207. Earlier we found out the cube root of a 6-digit number. Here we have to find out a cube root of 7-digit number. In the 7-digit number, we cannot just compare this 2924 with the cubes like we have compared earlier, like we have compared 474 with the 7 cube. Now we cannot compare. So what can we do? First step is similar. We have to find out the last digit. Here the last digit is 7, and the last digit in these cubes is, has a 7 at the units place, is 3. So we can write here 3, and we can just cut it down and we can write here 3. But what about 2924? Here we have to find out the cube root. Similarly, if we have to find out a cube root 2924, then what we have to do is we have to just take the last digit, which is 4 here, and we have to compare it with the last digit of 4 cube, which is 4. So we will do similarly, like we have cut this 207, and similarly we cut this down and we will say that this is 4. And now for 2, we will do the same thing like we have done here. 474, we found out which cube is lesser than 2. So 1 cube is lesser than 2. So we will write here 1. So 1, 4, 3. So 1, 4, 3 is our cube root. So 143 is cube root of 2924207. You can check it.